When was the last time you had a look at your spending and your saving habit and compared the two? And I bet that, like most people, you'll find that you spend way more on socialising and having a good time than you do actually saving for the future to build good habits so you can continue to do those things long into the future. Well, I was talking to some friends of mine the other day who go out on quite a regular basis, and they seem to have a really good time. That's fine. And I was just saying to them, how much does it actually cost you? How much do you spend on a regular monthly basis out socialising? And they totted the figure up, and I think it quite surprised them. They said, but we save £50 a month into a savings account. I was like, yeah, you're saving £50 a month into a savings account, but yet you're spending probably 10 times that on going out and socialising. By having that discussion and verbalising it, I think they suddenly realised how much they were spending and how little they were actually saving. It really hit home. I could see them thinking, actually, we spend way more on going out than we do saving. On the best will in the world, they could save a lot more money than just £50 a month. Now, don't for one moment think that I want to be a killjoy and stop people going out enjoying themselves, but this is frequent behaviour that we see from people who perhaps haven't really figured out the really important things to them, where they really want to be heading, how they should really balance all elements of their life and their finances. So I thought I would set them a challenge, and I set it to you as well. See if you can save each month the same as what you spend. And this is spending on socialising and going out and having a good time, not having to pay the bills and the other things which you have no option in. As you can hear, there's a lot of flying going on today from the local naval base. And think of all the people, the young men and the young women who join the Royal Navy and the other forces, who suddenly have money for the first time. They'll go and spend it. Sometimes lose sight on the future. And of course, we're not saying that you shouldn't spend money and enjoy yourself now, because we very much believe that at Serenity. That you should go out, enjoy life, embrace it, and do the things that bring you great happiness, but also have an eye on the future to build that long-term financial plan that's going to bring you happiness, joy, and freedom.